Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser in your Windows 10 device. So first of all, you just need to go to Google browser here, Google Chrome browser, and then go to the three dot settings here, click on it, and then go to the settings option here. And then after going to the settings option, you need to click on the right in the left here default browser here, and then you will see an option called default browser. So you have to click on the make default option here. So click on make default here, and this will take you to the settings option of default apps here. And if you scroll down, you will see an option here, web browser here, which is Microsoft Edge here. So your default browser is Microsoft Edge now. So if you want to change to Google Chrome, just click on it, and you will see the browser here. So choose Google Chrome here. So if you choose Google Chrome here, it will be your default apps here. So just click on Google Chrome here, click switch anyway, and that's it guys. This is how you change or set your Google Chrome browser at default browser in your Windows 10. So if you open a link here or any PDF or any other websites, it will open in the Google Chrome here. So that's it guys. This is how you set Google Chrome as default browser. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.